Parker's new favorite toy, the doorstop. I don't think he can hurt himself. Parker, you want to show Grandma Grandpa crawl? You want to crawl? Can you come to me? Hey, Parker. Bacon, come on. Parker. 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 Parker, 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 Parker. 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 Oh, hi, Parker. Hi, are you going to join us? Parker. I guess that's about all we're going to get. Parker. Bacon, come on, lay down. Come on. Oh, sorry. Bacon just sat in my lap. Oh, okay. Parker. Parker.